Hey everybody, here's a Toastmaster Box Fan from maybe the late 1960s to the early 1970s. It's a two-speed box fan with the push-in switch right here. I got this at a yard sale for $5. I bargained with the guy. He wanted 10 for it, and I offered him 5, and he says okay, and then I got it. So yeah, I'm really excited. The plug does need some work. As you can see, I did a temporary duct tape job here. I might even get a new cord on it. I might want to put a ground on it. So yeah, here's high. It's a pretty powerful fan. Blowing papers everywhere. Here's low. I'm gonna shut it off before all these papers blow over. Very powerful. Use it in the living room. But I was hoping for a startup sound when I first plugged it in, and maybe sad that there wasn't. Just the back of it. And I also want to get the blade off of it and see if I can put it on one of my cruddy box fans. That'd be funny. I can watch the motor on the bad box fan struggle epically. Well guys, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.